Hi there, I wanted to take this opportunity to show you the online version of the textbook for the program you are considering from Vista Higher Learning. I'm logged into Temas, which is the AP Spanish book. The content you will be reviewing, if it's not Temas, is very similar. If you go into content here, you go into vText, and you'll see the online version of the Temas book, which you can easily navigate through. If you look up at the top here, you can navigate from page to page. It's very user-friendly, and it's a great way to really review the text. You can also increase the view. If you want to skip to a specific chapter, you can do that as well, and go from there. And again, the vText is available only online. If you would like to view the ebook, which is the online version of the text that is available offline and downloadable, click on ebook, click here to download your ebook, and it will take you in to the ebook, and you can navigate from there. Another great way to take a look at the contents, just in two different formats. And if it is downloaded, you can access it offline again. So thanks for your interest, and look forward to hearing from you.